Okay, so me and Lily are doing the first hiking of the trip. It's called High Cliff Overlook. And we're hoping for beautiful views.
It's supposed to be a very difficult trail, and right now we're going uphill. So.
Alright, so we made it. Sitting on the edge. Canada over there. Beautiful. But I do have to do a quick intermission because this video is sponsored by
I've been waiting for this moment all day. Nature Valley, the crunchy weighted hike. Not sponsored.
It's actually sponsored by Stick, the healthy alternative to getting your fibers.
Ew.
What the heck, Nature Valley? What? I just opened this package and it's crummy everywhere. It's like, it's so dry, I need a drink. That's where Deja Blue comes in. Where you can clean yourself off. What the heck, Nature Valley? How does it get in your shoe? Disgusting. You do it.
Christian, please.
I am the king.
No! No!
So now we're headed back down. Not really sure what else is planned today. I might go back out and do some more paddle boarding. So it is really cool to be here because everybody speaks like me and it just kind of feels like I'm at home almost. I'll see you guys back at the bistro where I had to upload my video. Alright, just like I promised, there's the bistro.